Welcome back. It's the Vegan God. I know y'all probably looking at this backwards. It definitely says the Vegan God. Still working on my footage, still working on my views, still working on my angle, but I just gotta get this out. We're gonna make us a sauteed mushroom melt. All right, we're gonna keep it really simple today. This is another series of my 10 to 15 minute meals. All right, we're gonna use Great Grains Bakery Texas Toast, thick slice. It is actually vegan and actually really good. That's what we're gonna use today for our bread. We get oyster mushrooms, really good, really good mushrooms. High in protein, high in fiber. Really good stuff, man. Oyster mushrooms. We're gonna make it like a Philly. We're gonna use green pepper, yellow onion. We're gonna do it my way, all right? We're gonna do it my way. First things first, baby, how y'all doing today, man? Y'all doing all right? You having a good day?
I know y'all are. I know y'all are, man. You gotta have a good day. It's easy.
So yeah, man, I'm the Vegan God, man. I'm definitely gonna give y'all the recipe to this. And also check out my website, chefjodyjoe.com. Please buy my cookbook. It is on sale right now for only $5. It is on sale. But let's get to this. First things first. You always want to cut the ugly part of the onion out. You know, just cut it out. Sometimes you don't gotta cut it out. Sometimes you just take it out. Boom, just like that. Take the outer out. It's been sitting in the fridge, you know. So I'm gonna take this one out. This is got a little age on it. We don't need a little bit. We're just making one oyster mushroom melt. We're gonna make it like a Philly cheese steak. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, this is my white vegan cheese sauce. Man, if you have my cookbook, it's at chefjodyjoe.com. You can definitely find that. All right. Got the onions chopped up. I just cut them up something simple. You know, it don't have to be perfect, man. When you're a chef, man, you're the artist, so it can look how you want it to look. You know what I'm saying? But you know, if you got some, we're gonna turn this baby on high. And I'm using some vegan butter, man, from Crock. Man, if y'all see Crock, man, tag them. Let them know, man, I love their butter, man. They got some good vegan butter. That's what we're using for today. I got it on high. You always want to start off with, your fresh veggies first. So your onions and your peppers. I just got off about a quarter of this green pepper. I'm keeping it simple today. Like I said, we're just making one little sandwich. So I'm just gonna cut it. I always go back and forth how I want to cut it. But I'm just gonna fold it and I went long ways. I think I went a long ways. So I'm gonna cut it long ways. Can y'all see that? Can y'all see it? Boom. See how I'm cutting? Boom, boom, boom. Letting that butter melt. Getting that pan going. Cutting this long ways. And one tip I want to give you guys that's starting off cooking. Start cooking. Don't cook on high like I do. You know. Because you just give yourself room for error, you know what I'm saying? But I've been doing this for a while. I'm pretty much a vet. But I'm just getting this good and tied up, you know. Heat it up, get my peppers. I cut them long ways. I'm gonna throw them in there, you know. It's ready. Go ahead and throw it in there. I'm going to throw it in there. And also what I'm gonna do is, if y'all not hip, liquid smoke. I'm gonna put about half a cup. If you're watching me now, I use pretty much the same stuff, man. Liquid smoke, bell peppers, onions. I keep it pretty routine, consistent, as they would say. So you wanna give it a good little stir. You know. Let that cook down. You know, let that soften up, let that cook down. You go turn it down about medium high. And we're gonna get started on these mushrooms. I already washed them off. So we're gonna cut the butts off. You'll see that? We're gonna cut the butts off. We're gonna cut it off. Put it to the side. These are pretty, man. I want to fry them for real, but I gotta stop so much fried food, especially for me. You know what I'm saying? So you gotta cut it out. We're just gonna do some chopping. Dice it up, you know. That's what I'm doing. I ain't doing too much. I'm just dicing it up. Give it a nice little stir again. Yeah, buddy. Give it a nice little stir, letting it cook up, you know. Let it do its thing. Yeah, this is good oyster mushrooms. I'm gonna give them a good little chop. They have a good little meaty taste. Stir this again. Like I said, this is one of my 10 to 15 minute meals right here, man. It ain't gonna take long at all. The ingredients I'm gonna use for the seasoning, use some cumin, a little black pepper, a little sage. What else I'm gonna use? A little onion powder. I'm gonna use a little garlic sauce. I'm gonna use a little something to get it over with. Oh, my favorite, Coco Aminos. Coco Aminos. No, it's one of my favorites, man. I use Coco Aminos a lot. Coco Aminos. You smell that? They're cooking. The peppers is cooking, man. They're ready. They're ready for some action, man. So you know what the action is, right? You know what the action is. I'm gonna let them cook a little bit more. Cause I want them to be a little bit softer while they're cooking. So I'm gonna add, instead of adding more butter, I'm gonna add grapeseed oil. Man, I know it's annoying to see everything backwards. I'm gonna work on that. I just gotta make sure if I am recording, I'm getting good angle so I can see what I'm doing. So I'm gonna figure it out, y'all. Don't even worry about that. You know what I'm saying? Figure it on out, man. Figure it out. That's cooking. That's doing this thing. I'm gonna go ahead and throw these in here. Y'all heard it. The skillet was ready for it. That's a round of applause. Y'all heard that? That's a round of applause right there. I'm going to hit it with the cumin, you know. Going to hit it with that. Just a little bit. Come on out there. Hold on, man. Coming out. Let me shake it up. Real life, y'all. Real life. There you go. Just a little bit. You don't got to get a whole bunch. You know what I'm saying? Coco Aminos, let's hit it. Cut, you feel me? Y'all see what I'm doing? About 10 shakes. About 10 of them. 10 shakes of that. A little sage, just a little bit. This is just one pot, you know. Just a little sage. A little black pepper. Keep it simple, man. These are your staples. A little black pepper, onion powder. Nice little onion powder. I'm definitely doing this thing in there. We're gonna hit it with a little garlic salt. Boom. Garlic sea salt. Good stuff. I don't use a lot of salt when I do use garlic salt. Garlic sea salt. Maybe we got something going and I need to see this. Make sure y'all see this. Make sure y'all see this. This is what's going on. That's what's going on, you know what I'm saying? This is one little pot. And it's looking real good on it. It's looking real good on it. You only got to lie to me. I already know what time it is. That's looking real good, baby. But yeah, 10 to 15 minutes is all it takes on this one. So what we about to do is, while it's still cooking, keep giving it a little stir. It's on medium high. You don't want to get stuck to the pan, so that's why I'm continuously just stirring it up. You know what I'm saying? All right. That's good. That's good, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to you. Let me get a spatula so I can toast this bread.
Gotta toast this bread, you know what I'm saying?
You gotta have toast bread. That stuff's almost ready, y'all. It's almost ready. Well, this toast is kind of thick, but the toast is kind of thick, so I'm gonna smash it a little bit. Super big. But this stuff is definitely here cooking, y'all. It's definitely cooking. So I'm throwing it in there with the skillet. I'm throwing it in there with it. You feel me? Oh, yeah, I can't see it. I can't see it. So that's going in there with it. That's what's going on. See what's the way, you know what I'm saying? Let me hold this right. Make sure y'all can see what's going on. You know what I'm saying? Y'all can definitely see what's going on. Now I'm about to throw it on the bread, but watch, I'm about to flip it first. I'm about to flip it. See, real things happening. Real things happening. Let me put this phone down. My little investment down. My bread get through burnt. I might have to use some more bread. What's going on down on the earth? That was just one of them. I don't know why I was doing all that. I am gonna go ahead and spray it though, just for the notice with canola oil. Just because I want my bread to be real good and toasty and not stuck to the pan. Jeez. I'm actually gonna put a little more grapeseed oil on there. This is doing the most right now. See, stuff be happening. Cooking ain't perfect. Now we get action now. So if it can move like that, it ain't sticking to the pan. We get action. We get action. We get action, baby. So what I'm ready to do now, I'm gonna go down, flip and see what it's looking like on this side. Looking good. Flip to this side, looking good. Then you're about to see me put the mushroom stuff on there, you know, the mushroom mix. Oh my bad. Ooh, y'all looking at, look at that. Oh my God. Here comes the cheese. Here comes the cheese, y'all. Here comes the cheese. Look at that. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh yeah. That's looking real good. I'm gonna close this cabinet. That's looking really, really good. I'm about to close it. I'm about to here, cover it up. You know, not cover it up, but just close the sandwich. I see the sandwich is now closed up. I'm gonna go ahead and flip it to that side. You know, so I had to flip it. Now we just let him do his melt on it. And turn it down a little bit. I turned it down to about 3. 4, it's really on 4.5. But it's almost ready. I mean, I wish I could smell it. It smells amazing over here. It really smells amazing. Yeah, it's just about to go down. It's really about to go down. I'm gonna flip it. I'm gonna flip it one more time. I'm gonna flip it one more time. Just letting it do what it do. You know, you got to take time. See, it's already got a good, you know, got that, you know, that good texture you want on your milk. I'm gonna get another, 1 second. Get another cutting board. Cutting board so y'all can see what's going on with this in a minute. I'm going to take this off. This baby's melted. It's gonna do this thing. I can't wait to taste it. You feel me? It's almost been 15 minutes the whole thing too. That's crazy. What time is this? Man, I'm cold with the time. I'm gonna put it on this one. Oh, y'all see that? Y'all see it? You see it? Man, I'm about to just cut it. Oh, I'm gonna cut this off. It's burning. My bad, B. Let me get my sandwich. I'm about to go ahead and give it this nice little cut. My new cut. I said my new cut. My new knife. I had to go to the store ASAP. Give me another knife because I did too much cutting not to have a good knife. Still in that 15 minutes. And I'm really just now at 15 minutes. I'm telling y'all, man, please tap in, man. I can get y'all together. I'm just gonna cut it this way, man. That's how I'm feeling today. Cut it right down the middle. Cut it right down the middle. Now we're about to see what's up. About to see what's up. Let's see that. Oh my God. See my vegan cheese just don't got it in there. I just did this thing, so you know it's marinating. It's going, you feel me? Now I'm about to take my bite. Oh, my mouth is watering. My mouth is watering. Hot. 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 That's good. That's really, really good, y'all. I'm not even fronting you. This is really, really good. It's good, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm slapping it. Look at that. Oh, you know what? I got some sauce for it. A little jerk sauce, man. Hold on. I'm sitting there eating with some cheese. That's how you know it was good. I'm sitting there eating y'all with just nothing. That's how you know it's slapping. That's how you know it's slapping. Hold on, y'all. Give me a second. I ain't doing nothing else, man. You might just tune in. I might even show y'all a little sauce recipe, man. A quick little sauce recipe. If I got some time, I ain't doing nothing else. That's my sauce right there. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to dip it. Jesus, man, I'm eating it dry. That's how good it was. I was eating it dry. Now I'm dipping it. Should I give y'all a sauce recipe, or you want to use your own little steak sauce? Look at that, y'all. Oh my God. It's tangy. It's a little spicy. A little dab of sweet. Man, it's fire. That's fire, y'all. On God. Are you getting nothing? Well, that wraps it up, man. That was a really good sandwich. Here's the other half. I don't know if I can force myself to eat it. It's late, but look, that's how it's looking. The cheese on, you can see the cheese on there. Let me go ahead and, oh my God. You see the cheese on the bottom? Oh my God. ChefJodyJoe.com. Check me out. Instagram, IPayme, IPAYME, the Vegan God, or my cooking page, The Real Vegan God. Man, check me out, man. I'm really good at this. I'm dipping it, y'all. I'm dipping it. That's good, y'all. Peace. Subscribe. Hit the like button. I'm gonna give y'all a sauce recipe. I will give y'all a sauce recipe. I'm definitely the sauce guy, so you better tap in. Peace.